All right, you can rejoice with me at the end of this episode. We will be halfway through this paper, the May 2011 multiple choice paper. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome if you're new. Congrats on making it this far if you're there from episode 21 until now. All right. Today we're looking at questions 20, questions 26, nope, 28, 29, and 30. 28, 29, and 30. I hope your brain is not lagging as much as mine. Here we go. So question 28 for 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 9. The range of values of x is, and you should know that inequalities work pretty much the same as how equations work when you're solving them, except for one simple rule, which won't even come up in this question. But here we go. 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 9. And we're going to solve just like we approach a regular equation. We need to get rid of both 2 and 3 from this side of the equation so that x can be left by itself. Get rid of 3 first by subtracting 3, and then to get it to one side, do it to the other. 2x greater than or equal to, that's going to be 6. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x is greater than or equal to 3. Clearly, our answer is A. All right. Trust me, we will not be long in this episode. Moving to number 29. And bear in mind, you can always pause the video and try the question on your own, then see if you got it right. John has X marbles. Max has twice as many. If Max has twice X, then that's 2X. Max gives John 5 of his marbles. Ooh. And now we're supposed to find out how many marbles does Max now have. Max is giving away 5. So from what he has, he gave away 5. That will tell me what he now has. That's it. All right, and this question is very popular, by the way, in CXC multiple choice. All right, now to our final question for this week. If 3 plus 2 over x equals 1, then the value of x is. Again, you just want to ensure you stick to the basic rules. So you want to solve this equation. It has a fraction in it. The first thing you want to do is to not have a fraction. So you're like, how can I get rid of this x? Oh, I could multiply by x right here. But guess what? If you do that to one term in the equation, you have to do it to the entire equation. So you're going to multiply x by every single term. Times x times x. All right, so now we have 3 times x gives us 3x plus x cancels x, or x into x goes one time. So we only have 2 here, equals 1 times x will give us x. All right, and we looked at a question yesterday where we said once you're trying to solve for x and you have more than one terms with x in the equation, ensure they're both on the same sides of the equation. All right, so we can go ahead and subtract x from this right-hand side. Whatever you do to one side, do it to the other side. Subtracting x, and I put that minus x beside the like term, 3x. So now we have 3x minus x plus 2 equals 0. We don't want that 2 on the side of the x's, so we're going to get rid of it. Minus 2, minus 2. So now we have 3x minus x, which gives us 2x equals 0 minus 2. That's negative 2. Dividing by 2, so I can just find x. I have x equals negative 1. So again, you just want to ensure that if your equation has a fraction, first of all, try to get rid of the fraction. All right, because clearly you're going to end up with something like this, which is pretty much bringing you back to the general thing you're used to. That is it for our 3-a-day multiple choice questions for this week. This is DG Makes Math Easy. Join me next week for another 5 episodes. We're taking it to episode 40 with this May 2011 paper. I will see you when I see you.